Here's how to download and install Sora AI video app on your Android device. So first of all, in order to do that, you need to open your Play Store, tap on the search bar from the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the search bar in the top. Search for Sora by OpenAI, and then tap on install. If prompted, use your face or fingerprint scanning or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app and wait for the installation to complete. Then tap on open to start using the Sora app. But in my case, Sora AI video app is not available in my region yet. And if you did not find this application on your Play Store, it might not be available in your region yet. So you need to wait for it to be available so that you can download and install it on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.